Nah, go second then.
Ryder, they're coming fast, Ryder.
Her cousin has sports. He was there before me. He was not part of the owners. The owners are relatives of Stevie Ray Vaughan.
Have you tried hard?
Well,
So who's relatives of who?
my boss. Not as bad as our It's not bad.
Oh, okay.
Got this, Ryder.
He's not as good.
When
He
you
says
swing,
they all
swing
play
fast.
instruments, but at family events, they all kind of put him away because they always got shot around here after that. That's not that hard to do.
Let's go, Maxim! Let's go, 11! Hit a dingo!
Be ready. Get you a match.
Start my spoon. Let's go, Maxim. Swing at that
So many things
hard.
I want to say.
You're almost there, buddy.
Me when I keep spamming you, that's the ball.
Hey! No.
If you knew
Do I smell McDonald's?
then her and I could run. And then you and
I smell McDonald's.
that's not But I wouldn't care.
Two other people's
Kids and I riding. I would care who
Honestly, flying a plane is better.
And that's what I'm saying, meaning helping her. But if you're, I'm saying if her and I were, you just need to decide that soon. If her and I talk, I'll talk to her.
Every time I try to say,
Yeah, you know who you don't talk to? Kim.
I don't
You're
think
gonna tell her. You're gonna tell her. I talk to her sporadically.
I don't
What did you tell her? She'll ask me. I said, "Oh, my mom talked to her." Yeah, she did. Okay, I'll tell her. Well, I mean, she knows. I know, but I'm gonna tell her I suck.
Could you not? Am I your favorite uncle? Who's your favorite uncle? Mom is your favorite uncle.
Is it Harley?
Mom is your.
Harley?
Am I your favorite uncle? Is Holly your favorite uncle? You barely get a signal. I'll let you up. Nah. If I bought you a snack, would I be your favorite uncle? Nah. Is Holly your favorite uncle because he plays music? Yeah. Is Holly your favorite uncle because he plays music? Yeah. Could you not?
Gotta be fast.
And again,
Shortstop too fast.
Yeah. No.
I didn't even see you while I was out.
well,
This
it's
girl's out of
you have another dog.
This girl's out of control. Oh my Magnus got crazy. It wasn't my face. She kept doing it.
What'd she do? Throw herself back?
She's like, oh yeah! And I was like, ah.
Like a tornado.
I guess you don't know what that is. The girl in Corvette is 22 from Phoenix. Totally not used to that storm. Where's Dawson? She was walking around with that boy in the Chargers football thing.
Oh, I see them. They're over there.
But she was real worried about that storm.
Let's go back.
That was coming because the tornado was.
Oh, that was way high.
And it did. Listen, I usually tell her about everything. Her and Nicole. It may be the day before. Nikki randomly one day everything we've done, it's been last week. And then your mom. Like, you don't know your mom. Like, we didn't actually. Which is weird.
Really made things different.
She had all the kids on that is what she is.
Depending on how much time
He's making you, Mac. Don't do it.
right now.
Yeah, I know.
He's trying you.
Down most of the 30%. See what that does to my score. We'll see where I'm at, too.
Don't do it. Don't do it. That's enough today if he's running. Do a big score. Don't do it.
I mean, not right now. What I'm saying is she stays on top of it. That's what I would say. Did you come straight from work?
Left feet. Don't fake him. Don't fake him.
They're in bed by 7:30.
No fakey. No fakey wakey.
We are in bed by 6:30. Not me. They don't nap. Not you. Obviously, MJ. I'll go to bed tomorrow.
Don't run him down. Don't, Maxim, don't take your eyes off of him. Don't take your eyes off of him. Maxim, don't take your eyes off of him.
Ball at all times.
Maxim, next time don't do that far. You take your eyes off of him, he's gonna go home. No. Cover home. Don't be starting conversation.